Hey guys, this is Jennifer with the Vivo Real Estate team, and we are having a huge open house this weekend, so big that our team agent Courtney Fox, the Orlando Real Estate Fox, is going to be out there with me helping us with this big open house. It's going to be this Sunday at 541 Shirley Drive, this Sunday from 1 to 4, and tell them about the goodies that we're going to have.
Guys, we're going to raffle off some prizes there. If you can guess what this home will sell for, we have this and another prize.
That's right. We got 2 prizes, 2 wine baskets, and then what are we going to be eating? Are we going to be eating
lots of foods and drinks, and we do have mimosas too. So come by and see us. We'll be waiting for you.
That's right. Go to church if you're going in the morning and come by us, and we'll give you a little mimosa. We won't tell anybody, I promise. Again, this Sunday in Apopka, 541 Shirley Drive, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, built by D.R. Horton. This house is gorgeous, well-maintained. There's a little playground around the corner, Wakaiva Elementary, just walking distance. Come on, guys, join us, spread the word. We cannot wait to see you.
This Sunday, 1 to 4.
Woo!